white and green. New muddy tea. Let's go white and green. We are all back to red fire engine standing by the fire station. I'm called Chungchung. I'm pumped. Let's see what goes through I am. Small curtain and my hoses. First the fireman connects the hose to the pump. Then the fireman pulls the cut off the joke. Then hose was white out. My long hose is 140 and meters long now. It can get longer and longer. I can pump much lot of water. He comes. Let's whoosh. Look how the water goes out. When the fire burns up the alley, my long hose is one mile.
My long hose reaches in
to help the fire put out fire. I am a leather truck. Let's see what. Yeah.
I'm a ladder truck. Watch what I can do with one of the wonderful things I have.
My toilet goes up. Watch carefully. We can go higher and higher. Higher. We can go high and quickly run up to the top of tall buildings. Then the fireman can save people way up there.
The people trapped way up there
and fight the fire. I'm a rescue truck.
I have a secret.
Watch carefully. Robo fighter goes
Robo fighter 330.
to the rescue.
Robo fighter 330 to
The
rescue.
This is fireman. This is fireman.
A fireman uses this
remote control
to
send orders.
Then
all the robo fighter goes to dangerous places to put the fire all by itself. Forward charge, do I look like a great flight engine? You bet I do. I am super fighter of things.
I'm a super fighter 327 and I can endure fires.
Instead of normal flight engines.
I've got a lot of great things on me.
This iron plate protects my windows.
Sprinklers on each of my tires. Keep them cool down. I can even spray the fighting foam from my channel.
I'm a great flight engine too. I also got something great to show. I have a great
A whole set of lights.
Above they go. Like here. Like here. Like this.
Yes. These lights light up dark places and help firemen put out fires.
They are all like red fire engines standing by in the fire station. Combined vehicle, green lorry, fire helicopter, utility truck, tanker. Tanker is the water inside the tank. You're gonna
Our job is putting out fires and taking care of people. We are ready to go out all the time.
Aerial petrol, chemical truck, milk,
Chemical
bush,
crash truck.
fireboat, wind,
Red motorcycle.
red
Red motorcycle.
motorcycle, mini rescue vehicle, fire search engine, smoke section and bubble form truck. Bubble. Rescue truck. Fire bubble. 999 is the number you should dial. Call the fire, call the police. Hear the siren all around the town. See the fire truck down the lake. Up.
Up goes the ladder truck. Come. Here comes the rescue truck. Connect the pump, connect the hose. Out. Outburst the water. Out. Out goes the fire.
Fire diagram. Siren, fire engine, ladder, pump, hose, tie, wooden mirror, windshield, windows.
I'm red. I can fly. I can help put out fires. I am
Fire helicopter.
fire